Yeah. GDG. Suicide Blaze. Hey. Yeah. Fuck all that dissing on Snapchat. We handle shit with some gas, man. Y'all niggas know I stay. You can pull up the day and get more fucking clap, fam. Shoot at them pussies like Deathstroke. Y'all just some broken and dead hoes. Chopper and lies like a death note. Chopper and lies like a death note. Fuck all that dissing on Snapchat. We handle shit with some gas, man. Y'all niggas know I stay. You can pull up the day and get more fucking clap, fam. Shoot at them pussies like Deathstroke. Y'all just some broken and dead hoes. Chopper and lies like a death note. Chopper and lies like a death note. Sippin' a hydro on slump. Smoke me a blunt, boy, I don't give a fuck. Pussy boy run up, he tryin' his luck. He better cook correct, cause I come with a pump. And he better protect all the ones that he love, cause I roll with a tech and it fucks niggas up. Maybe that nigga ain't get enough hugs. That nigga must be off too many drugs. Cause, boy, you high if you fucking try me. Do you really wanna die, G? I can see the fear, we can do it here. Shoot a nigga up like an IV. Shoot a motherfucker, call me Spike Lee. Last week a nigga tried to fight me. Put the boy on a fucking white tee. Now the bitch is getting fucking dry clean. Fuck all that dissing on Snapchat. We handle shit with some gas, man. Y'all niggas know I stay. You can pull up the day and get more fucking clap, fam. Shoot at them pussies like Deathstroke. Y'all just some broken and dead hoes. Chopper and lies like a death note. Chopper and lies like a death note. Fuck all that dissing on Snapchat. We handle shit with some gas, man. Y'all niggas know I stay. You can pull up the day and get more fucking clap, fam. Shoot at them pussies like Deathstroke. Y'all just some broken and dead hoes. Chopper and lies like a death note. Chopper and lies like a death note. Don't go and suicide is a hit. Young mafiosos, you know that we rich. Pull up and I hit your bitch like a lick, man. I'm playing. I just got the top, then I split. Just got the top, then I hopped in the whip. I ride your plug, lil' broski a bitch. Broski a bitch, lil' broski a snitch. So we put up with thunkers and let those shits hit. Grind for the skrilla, man. Watch how we stunt. And niggas all top, man. These little niggas front. And that shawty crib hoe, I ain't come for nothing. Unbuckle my bed and let's get to the sucking. Unbuckle this belt and let's get to the fucking. Pull up on blocks and these niggas start running. They off 15, man. These niggas start ducking. Only 16, bitch. I'm rich for a youngin'. Only 16, but I roll with that piece. Fold a nigga like some fucking Caprice. I'm a hot boy like some motherfucking fleece. And these bitches on me like they needed some heat, man. These bitches on me like they needed some love. Love for my money and love for my drugs. Love for the projects and love for my plug. But that show ain't go waste no love on the dub. Oh, fuck with me if you need pills, yeah. Fuck around with me, get killed, yeah. Run around, running your mouth, nigga out. He gon' wake up with no grill, oh. He gon' wake up with no cash, yeah. He gon' wake up with no strap, yeah. Best how to make it, these niggas just hate it cause these niggas trash. Goddamn. Fuck all that dissing on Snapchat. We handle shit with some gas, man. Y'all niggas know I stay. You can pull up the day and get more fucking clap, fam. Shoot at them pussies like Deathstroke. Y'all just some broken and dead hoes. Chopper and lies like a death note. My chopper and lies like a death note. Fuck all that dissing on Snapchat. We handle shit with some gas, fam. Y'all niggas know I stay. You can pull up the day and get more fucking clap, fam. Shoot at them pussies like Deathstroke. Y'all just some broken and dead hoes. Chopper and lies like a death note. My chopper and lies like a death note. Diamonds different colors. Diamonds on me dancing. Yeah, I get the backing and I get the racing and I get the packing, little nigga. Yeah, I brought the scratching and I ain't even capping. Let's get this shit bracking, my nigga. Ain't no capping this rapping, my nigga. No. But I am rapping last round these niggas. Yeah. You talk shit, come get hit with these triggers. Put one in your dough, not your motherfucking liver. Yeah, I get the backing and I get the racing and I get the packing, little nigga. Yeah, I brought the scratching and I ain't even capping. Let's get this shit bracking, my nigga. Yeah, ain't no capping this rapping, my nigga. No. But I am rapping last round these niggas. Yeah. You talk shit, come get hit with these triggers. Put one in your dough, not your motherfucking liver. Wait, I got a drip on me, nigga. I just walked in the mall, blew $250,000. You know, I keep that clip on me, nigga. I just pinned out my coupe with a Goya ceiling. Niggas ain't got say shit, boy, I know them killing. I wanna drop out of school, cop another building. Before I die, I might fuck around and stack a billion. Need my own TV show, all the trappers living, so y'all goofies can see how we move. Yeah. Ain't no games being played around here, dude. Hey. We got K's and they spray out the roof. Yeah. Did I mention I can take off my roof? Thanks. Hit the gate, we would take off with loot. True. I might hop in the Charger and scoot. Yeah. Yeah, bitch, I got the AR in the booth. Yeah, I get the backing and I get the racing and I get the packing, little nigga. Yeah, I brought the scratching and I ain't even capping. Let's get this shit bracking, my nigga. Ain't no capping this rapping, my nigga. No. But I am rapping last round these niggas. shit, come get hit with these triggers. Put one in your dough, not your motherfucking liver. Yeah, I get the backing and I get the rexing and I get the packing, little nigga. Yeah, I bought the scratching and I ain't even capping. Let's get this shit bracking, my nigga. Yeah, ain't no capping this rapping, my nigga. But I am rapping lash around these niggas. You talk shit, come get hit with these triggers. Put one in your dough, not your motherfucking liver. Patted for leap, blue hunters neat. I need that guap by the end of the week. Watch all these drugs be the handing to me. Wait, $500,000 out the book bag. You ain't taking shit to get took back. Ass fat, told my girl look back. Pot on the stove, used to cook that. Cook that dope, nigga. Wait, all of my life, that's all I know, nigga. Yeah, don't play my slots, fuck around, get smoked, nigga. Yeah, big fat backwoods, I ain't smoking no road switch. Yeah, should a pussy boy dead leave his ass without hope, nigga. I get the backing and I get the rexing and I get the packing, little nigga. Yeah, I brought the scratching and I ain't even capping. Let's get this shit bracking, my nigga. Ain't no capping, this rapping, my nigga. But I am rapping lash around these niggas. You talk shit, come get hit with these triggers. Put one in your dough, not your motherfucking liver. Yeah, I get the backing and I get the rexing and I get the packing, little nigga. Yeah, I brought the scratching and I ain't even capping. Let's get this shit bracking, my nigga. Yeah, ain't no capping, this rapping, my nigga. But I am rapping lash around these niggas. You talk shit, come get hit with these triggers. Put one in your dough, not your motherfucking liver.
Go Don go.
Pull up with that strap, counting hella cash, smoking fucking gas. Bitch, we on the map. Yeah, we fucking trapped, and we towing gas, and we get the bag. You ain't in my cash. Pull up with that strap, counting hella cash, smoking fucking gas. Bitch, we on the map. Yeah, we fucking trapped, and we towing gas, and we get the bag. You ain't in my cash. Flow on these niggas, they know it's me. I be so dope with the poetry. Posted up, it's just a host of me. Look at this ice and these golden teeth. Stay with my Glock, yeah, I told a piece. 24K for you niggas that's wondering. You niggas blundering. We get the bag and my crew never fumble it. I am not mumbling. Look at the game, I'm in front of it. Look at my chain and then look at my ice, man. This shit hella nice. Cop this pop in your eyes, man. I'm ready to die. Bullets all in your spine, man. Yo ass out of time. Hope you had a good life. Hope that I die by the soda shit. Go, don't go, did the beat. He played the chords and shit. You niggas boring, bitch. I can't stop scoring, bitch. Future me finna hop out the DeLorean. Pull up with that strap, counting hella cash, smoking fucking gas. Bitch, we on the map. Yeah, we fucking trapped, and we towing gas, and we get the bag. You ain't in my cash. Pull up with that strap, counting hella cash, smoking fucking gas. Bitch, we on the map. Yeah, we fucking trapped, and we towing gas, and we get the bag. You ain't in my cash. Why you flex like you just bought the shit? You ain't got shit that you rap about. I aim to strap at your fucking mouth. I hit a lick on your fucking house. Drug money all in my bank account. If I want shop, then I take some out. Y'all niggas just fucking chasing clout. I fuck the bitch you say think about, yeah. We did the shit by our fucking selves. We didn't never ask no one for fucking help. Get to the cash, we run up that wealth. Niggas gon' talk, they just mad that me and my boys never fell. Often them boys going soft and I get this shit lit just like a fucking Molotov. Up on your block and we motherfucking poppin' shots. Ice on my wrist, man, I'm cold just like rubber frost. Pull up with that strap, counting hella cash, smoking fucking gas. Bitch, we on the map. Yeah, we fucking trapped, and we towing gas, and we get the bag. You ain't in my cash. Pull up with that strap, counting hella cash, smoking fucking gas. Bitch, we on the map. Yeah, we fucking trapped, and we towing gas, and we get the bag. You ain't in my cash. Suicide. Yeah. I told Lil' Shorty I just wanna cut. Pets and Philippe on my wrist is a must. About the foreign, I just got to suck. Pets and Philippe on my wrist is a must. I told Lil' Shorty to bring her a friend. I fucked your ex in the back of a Benz. I served some bass and it sent me a trend. I fucked your ex in the back of a Benz. I told Lil' Shorty I just wanna cut. Pets and Philippe on my wrist is a must. About the foreign, I just got to suck. Pets and Philippe on my poppin'? Let's get these 808s knockin'. Yo, MCM in the coffin. I'm blowing racks if I'm shopping. Ain't got no option. Watch how I'm up in my rocket. Watch how I'm drippin' in juice. I pull that 30 and aim it at you. I rob a trap house and blame it on you. I flip a brick on your gang avenue. How you gon' talk down to me? I was the one put you up on your feet. I was the nigga that lent you a key. Nigga, you know that these bands isn't free. Nigga, you knew how we doing the mat. Watch how my little one gon' load up the scrap. I had it money way back before rap. Tony Montana, I speak with no